Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add subtitles to your video without typing them one by one. So this one is pretty easy. You don't need to sweat, and I probably think that you've already knew this feature, but I'm going to just show you anyway. So first import your clips and then go to the text and choose auto captions, and then after that you need to select the sound source. If you have voiceover, you can also choose that, but I'm going to just go with the original sound. And then there are so many language that is provided by CapCut. You just need to choose. And then here, this is the pro feature. You can use that if you are on pro version, but I'm going to just click on start and let CapCut do its magic. Okay, so the auto caption has been created. So like I said before, you don't need to typing it one by one.
Great to see you, Jennifer.
So you can see that the caption will be there.
1 to 10, how excited are you to answer?
And you can always do or change the style in here. You can change the color, the font, the size of the caption, and also you can add animations. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and subscribe. Bye.